Hi everyone, I am Shishmita.
I am Dipanvita.
Today we are going to play a fun game between us and Dipanta will explain that.
Okay, so today's game is we are playing this and that. Each of us will be given two options and we will have to choose why we are choosing that option and we can tell the reason too.
Okay, so let's start the game.
So we will start the game now. The first category is food and drink.
Okay.
So first I will ask her question and then she will. So your first question is, wait. I'm just trying to confuse her, nothing else. Okay, this is good. Which is more important to you for pizza toppings, in case of pizza toppings? Okay, cheese or chicken?
Okay, it's very tough. Cheese or chicken? I have to choose one or I can say both.
You have to choose one.
Okay, between cheese and chicken, I will choose cheese. It's a very tough call.
Okay, so now my turn.
Okay. Your option is burger or pizza. Which one you will choose?
I love burger and pizza, but the thing is I have not eaten burger for so long. I was telling her a few days back, I guess, that I miss burgers. Because right now I am craving more burgers than pizza because I think 2 to 3 days back we had pizza.
Yes.
But I guess, I don't know, it's hard. I think I will go with burger.
Okay.
Okay, now my turn. Eggs crumbled or eggs sunny side up? I think egg sunny side up means poached egg or something, I'm not sure. So poached egg or scrambled egg?
Okay. Scrambled egg or poached egg. Both of them are my favorite and it's very tough that I have to choose between them.
I think food part is harder for us than any other.
Because we like both the options.
Yeah.
So I will go with scrambled egg. I will go with scrambled egg. I like that means the taste and all the things. It's very tasty. Now her turn. Now she has to choose between Crushers and smoothie. Which one?
Okay. Do you have any particular flavor for Crushers or smoothie or any flavor I want?
Any flavor you want. Just you have to choose
Crushers. I love KFC Crushers.
Yes. It's so
Strawberry one is so good.
It's so yummy and
I think
refreshing.
chocolate one.
You remember
chocolate
that?
one
You remember that restaurant that we had in Lal Bagh, that watermelon drink they
Watermelon
give
drink.
to us.
Actually, there was a restaurant here, and they used to serve some watermelon drink. That was so refreshing, and it tasted very good. Okay, so the next category is sports, activities, and hobbies. So let's ask questions now. Okay, TV shows or movies? This one I really wanted to ask you.
TV shows.
Okay, TV. When I say TV shows, it includes Friends, Office, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, everything. And movie includes Harry Potter, Marvels, everything. So
It's very
I'm
tough.
trying to confuse already.
It's tough. Okay. I like series because you don't have to think afterwards what you will watch next. Okay.
Yeah, you are settled for a long time.
Yes.
If you are choosing a big series.
And for movie, you have to concentrate for 2 hours for finishing that movie. So I will go with series.
Good call.
So I will ask question to her. I'll ask her about reading or writing.
I used to write poems. Right now I don't, but I still love writing. And I really like reading too. Like obviously reading storybooks. I don't want to say reading actual books. Yeah, storybooks. I guess I like writing because then you have to think and then write. It's actually really refreshing, I guess.
So you're choosing writing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's my turn now.
Same category. Video games or board games?
Okay, I will go with board games because I played video games, but that addiction with the video games is less
Board
for
games
me.
is very nostalgic.
Yes, it's very nostalgic. Yes, and so I will go with board games.
Okay. Now ask me.
Now it's a tough question for her. Drawing or painting? Drawing or painting?
Like, I like the drawing part, but when I'm painting, it's just so much more relaxing because it's already kind of complete, and coloring part is always easier, I feel like.
So which option?
But I like sketching really much more. So I would say drawing.
Okay.
Category is style and fashion.
Okay, now.
Okay, I know this question is very interesting for because she used to have long, really long hair. Now she has short. So, what do you prefer right now, long
Okay.
or short hair?
Right now, yes, it's a very tough situation for me. So I will prefer short hair because I am used to long hair, and I saw myself with long hair, but when I see people with long hair, I'm eagerly want that type of hair. But when it comes for me, I want to see myself in front of a mirror. That time I always prefer having short hair.
What length do you prefer?
Okay, the length.
The length you have now or shorter than that?
I think I prefer both the lengths, this one and the earlier one.
Which was this one right now what I have.
Yes. That's one. So I will ask her, dress or skirt?
When I was small, I used to love wearing skirts. I had so many denim skirts, but right now I don't own any skirt. Which is weird. But I want to.
Yes, we both want to just wear skirts.
But I guess I prefer dress because with dress you don't have to really think about anything, but with skirt you have to think which top goes with it and all that. So dress. Okay, my turn. It's a very interesting question. It's obviously not what you prefer to wear, what you want your other half to wear. Briefs or boxes?
I think it's fully depend upon him, but I will prefer.
What you prefer?
Okay, I will prefer boxes.
Okay. Do you want to tell the reason?
No, I don't think that.
Okay. So next question.
Okay, it's a very interesting question. Ring or necklace?
I love rings and I really like necklaces too, but I don't wear any.
It's a tough question for her. That's why I just chose that question. But she easily answered that one.
Actually, in Pinterest, I have a whole section for rings. I love rings.
I think she loves necklaces. That's why I asked this question.
I really necklaces too. But the thing is, the thing with me is I really like simple things. Like if I am wearing a necklace, that should be very minimalistic. And even with rings, that should be very minimalistic. That I can really wear anytime I want with any outfit. So yeah, that's the thing. So the next category is home and family. Okay. So I'm going to ask you a question now. Okay, this is interesting. Bathtub or shower?
Oh my god. Okay, I don't have bathtub, but I eagerly want to have that one. A shower, it's like chill, relax. You just have to go under that shower and you just don't have to do any work. Just stand there and the water will pour and pour out. It's a very nice thing. And tub is also like that. I am choosing shower because I don't have bathtub now. So I will choose shower. In future I will choose bathtub.
Okay, now my question.
Flower garden or vegetable garden?
Okay.
Because recently she is so much attracted with gardening.
I have told her and few of my friends that I really want to have a garden kitchen or kitchen garden, whatever it is called, because I really love having like tomato and chilies and capsicums all in your garden, you know. But I love flowers. Right now I have plants of, I think 3 to 4 plants that have flowers. So I really like both of them. Right now, I think I will go with flowers because I don't know much about plants and I don't think I can handle a vegetable plant right now. So I will go with flowering plants. Okay, so we don't really like the questions in this category much. So we are going to the next category, which is travel and entertainment. Aquarium or zoo? I was going to ask a different question, then I liked this one.
Aquarium or zoo? I'll go with zoo because I prefer watching giraffe, all the tiger, lion, elephants and deer, even a zoo have. So I will go with zoo. Day trip or overnight trip with your friends?
Okay. Overnight trip because if it is a sunny day, I don't like the heat, so I will prefer overnight.
And if it's a rainy day or the weather is according to your preference?
If it's a rainy day, I will prefer morning. But actually, I like traveling overnight because I have traveled overnight when I used to go to my uncle's house. I really liked it. I guess I will choose overnight. Okay. The next question is, I think, interesting for her. Spontaneous trip or planned trip?
Yes. Okay. I think spontaneous trip because for planned trip it never works. Yes, it never works. Only means we friends just plan it and somehow some problem just come out and it finally gets stopped. So spontaneous trip. Travel alone or travel with others. Since as per your choice, you can go with your friends or whatever. Travel alone.
I think that depends. What do you mean by others?
Okay, here others means with friends, not your boyfriend.
Or family?
No, only friends. I think if I will tell her family, I know the answer. So only friends.
Okay. If I say alone, I know the messages I am going to get for this. So,
that's why I cancel boyfriend.
I think it also depends on the place where I am going. Like some places are there so that you can go alone and enjoy them. You know.
So many conditions, situations you are just picking out.
Friends.
See, it's a very tough call for her.
Friends. This is the last category and this is miscellaneous, so anything actually. Okay. This is a very easy question and I think everybody knows their choice for this one. But see, okay, the option is winter or summer, but I don't want to give you the summer option. I want to change it with rainy. So winter season or rainy season?
Oh my god. It's so tough. Winter season or rainy season because I like both the seasons. So for me, it's go with rainy season because the weather, when it rains outside and you just sit beside your window and just watch the rain, it feels like so much calming and if you just relaxing and if you just play a music with that, it's awesome. And you can also have tea with that.
No.
It's very awesome. She doesn't like tea, that's why. Just leave her.
Okay, I don't like. I know this very controversial, but yes. I really don't like tea. I love coffee, but I don't like tea at all.
I'll ask her, go forward in time or go back in time? Which one you will like?
Go forward in time. because I don't want to like know what is there in future, but I know what was there in past and which moments I really enjoyed and liked. Okay, so the question is ability to fly or ability to read minds?
Okay, I always like to read minds of the people, but when she asked this question suddenly, now I'm thinking like that, means continuously reading mind will be very boring.
Plus, this COVID situation really has triggered us to go out.
Yes, so I will choose I want to fly.
Means we don't go out. Don't get us wrong.
Yes.
Don't.
We are just stuck in our rooms and
Yeah, which is good. You should do that too right now because of the situation, whole situation. Okay.
backyard or front yard?
Backyard.
Why?
Because I feel like if you have a front yard, you know, you will have street right next to it, and you can't really do anything. I mean,
You can't put any stuffs in front of your house
no,
like that. It
not
will
that.
become-
If I want to have fun, you know, just play around or anything for that matter, I can't really do it in front of people. So I think backyard will be really better.
This was the last question of our game.
So hope you guys really enjoyed this game, and if you want us to do this kind of game in future, let us know in the comment section below.
Do like, share, and subscribe.
And share our videos and share our videos with your friends. Bye.
Bye, guys.